children. Good to see you all again. And I am so happy about your Zoom classes. You are doing good and performing well in Zoom classes. And I hope you are watching our online classes regularly. As of today, you are going to learn many new things in English and Maths. In English, you are get to know many new words, and then I am going to take you to the dragon word. Then your favorite segment, the word of the day, and then ma'am will teach you how to do the English worksheet. Come on children, let's get into the class. Hello kids, see here. Today, one of your friends is here to meet you all. Her name is At. Her name is At. She is going to introduce her family members one by one. Come on, let's see her family members. Look here children. How do we read this word? B at bat. B at bat. Then who is next? K at cat. How do we read this word? K at cat. Then who is next? R at rat. R at rat. Then H at hat. Sorry, H at hat. Then what sound is this? N. N at mat. N at mat. Next, what sound is this? S. S at sat. S at sat. Yeah, okay, fine. Take your English book children. Take page number 20. Keep your finger and read along with me. Family of adverbs. Okay, so in this page you are going to learn some at family words. Okay, listen to these words. What is the sound that you hear in all of them? Okay, come on, what's the first word? B at bat. What picture is this? Bat. B at bat. See, all these words end up with at sound. Okay, then what picture is this? Cat. K at cat. K at cat. Then what's the next one? What sound is this? H. H at hat. H at hat. Okay, now look at this picture. What picture is this? Yeah, this is the mat. How do we read this word? What's the first sound? N. N at mat. N at mat. Then what sound is this children? What sound is this? R. R at rat. R at rat. Then look at the last word. What sound is this? S. The sound of letter S is S at sat. S at sat. Okay. Now, come on, let's move on to the next page. Okay, before doing the exercise, you have to read the heading first. Okay. Keep your finger and read along with me. Trace the words and match them to the pictures. Then write them on your own. Okay, now we are going to trace these words. Okay, keep your pencil, trace along with me. Okay. C A T. Cat. What word is this? Cat. Now, where is the cat picture here children? After tracing this word, we are going to match the picture. Where is the cat picture here? Yeah, here is a cat. So, match this one. After this, you have to write cat here. C A. Join the letters and write children. T. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Very good. In the same way, we will complete the remaining things in our Zoom class. Come on children, let's move on to the next page, page number 22. Okay. Now keep your finger and read along with me. Listen to the story. Circle the words from the at family. See children, here there is a story. There are many at family words in this story. You have to identify the word and then circle it. Okay. Now keep your finger and read along with me. This is Tammy. The cat. The cat. Look at this. Cat is a at family word. So you have to circle it. Then he sits on the mat. See, mat is a at family word. So you have to circle this word. In the same way, identify the at family words. Find the at family words in this story and circle it, children. We will complete this in our Zoom class. The same thing, draw a hat for Tammy. Give him a pocket in the shape of a heart. Color the picture. We will complete this page in our Zoom class. Come on children, now I am going to take you to the dragon world. In dragon world, you are going to meet a little dragon who wanted a colorful fire. Come on children, now we are going to meet a little dragon who wanted a colorful fire. See here, Dub Dub was a little dragon. He was green, spotted and had a short tail. The little dragon Dub Dub felt Mummy and Daddy were big. They had their own fires. Dub Dub had a small fire, but Dub Dub wanted a different kind of fire. It should be big, bright and colorful. He thought. Dub Dub wished for a big colorful fire like the colors on the feathers of a kingfisher, like the colors of flowers in spring and like the colors in the ocean. The next morning, when Dub Dub went out to play and opened his mouth, a big colorful fire came out of his mouth. Dub Dub's fire was so big that it burnt all the flowers in the garden. All the animals ran away in fear. Dub Dub was sad. He had burnt all the flowers. Dub Dub wished for his old fire again. A big and colorful fire was too much for him. He was happy with his small yellow fire. So, children, what did you understand from this story? You should be happy with what you have.
Word of the day. Word of the day is see. I can see the mountain. I see a bird flying in the sky. I will see you later. I see the cat on the wall. Can you see the ball?
This is your English worksheet. Shall we read the heading now? Trace the letters. This is your worksheet number 3. You have to write your name here. Shall we read the heading now? Trace the letters. Already we are tracing the letters. This time you are going to trace O, R, S, U. O, R, S, U. So, they have given dotted lines here. So, we are going to trace the letter O. Okay, keep your pencil on the dotted lines given there. This is your first red line, top red line, first blue line, second blue line, down red line. Okay. So, these 2 lines only we are going to write. So, keep your pencil, small slanting line, bend, come on the same line, right curve, go up, touch again, bend a little. So, what letter is this? O. What letter is this? O. The next letter is R. Small slanting line, small circle, dash, come down, touch the second blue line, bend a little. What letter is this? This is R. The next letter is S. Small slanting line, small circle, come down, touch the second blue line, go and touch again, bend a little. So what letter is this? This is letter S. Okay. Next letter is U. Small slanting line, come down. As I, you have to write the same way. Go up, touch the first blue line, bend a little. So this letter is U. So next lines we can complete it in the Zoom class. Okay. The next page you are going to trace the letters V, W, X. Okay. So keep your pencil on the dotted lines, small slanting line, come down, touch the second blue line, go up, again touch the first blue line, bend a little. This is letter V. Letter V. The next letter is W. Small slanting line, come down. U. See, this looks like U. The same way again write another U the same way and bend a little. This is W. This is W. The next letter is X. Small slanting line, left curve and right curve. This is letter X. So this way you have to complete the other lines. So we can complete this in the Zoom class. Okay.
In maths class, you are going to learn numbers 1 to 10, tens frame. At last, I will teach you how to do the maths worksheet. Come on children, let's start the class.
Children, you have learned the numbers from 1 to 10. Now, shall we complete this book exercise? It's in your maths book, page number 38. Page number 38. Numbers 1 to 10. Count the flowers and circle the correct number. Count the flowers and circle the correct number. So they have given flowers here, number of flowers. We are going to count the flowers and they have given 3 numbers below. So you are going to circle the correct number. Okay. See now the first box, how many flowers are there? Shall we count? So only 1 flower. Okay. Only 1 flower. So see the numbers given below. 1. Can you identify this number? It's 1. And the next number is 2. And the next number is 10. So now you tell me which is the correct number. So we have only 1 flower here. So you are going to circle number 1. So hold the pencil properly and you are going to circle number 1 like this. Okay. So we are going to circle number 1 like this. Now shall we count the next box? So how many flowers are here? 1, 2. How many flowers are here? 2 flowers. Okay. Ma'am said here 1 flower and here 2 flowers. If you have only 1, you have to say flower, and more than 1 you have to add S to it. So flowers. So see the numbers below. 2, 4, 5. So which is the correct number? 1, 2. So this is the correct number. So we are going to circle number 2. Yes. This way you have to complete this book exercise. Next things we can complete in the Zoom class. Next boxes and all we can complete it in the Zoom class. Okay. So the next page is page number 39. It's tens frame. Tens frame is nothing but we are going to count the dots given here and you are going to write the number from 1 to 10. Okay, that's tens frame. Shall we read this? This is a tens frame. This is the number 10. See, they have given dots here, no? Shall we count the dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, shall we read the next ending? Write the number shown on each tens frame. Write the number shown on each tens frame. Okay, shall we count it now? 1, 2, 3. You should not count the boxes given here, okay? You have to count just the dots. They have kept the dots in black, no? You have to count the dots. So, 1, 2, 3. They have given box here. You are going to write the number given in the box. Shall we write the number now? See the formation, how ma'am is writing. You have to follow the same, okay? We are going to write the number 3. So, you have to write like this, okay? This is number 3. Shall we count the next one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, what is the number you are going to write in the box? It's 7. 7 you have to write like this, okay? Okay, fine. The next boxes we can complete it in the Zoom class. So, the next Roman number is fill in the tens frame for each number. Fill in the tens frame for each number, okay? So, here they have given dots and you wrote the number, but here they have given the number. So, what you have to do here? We have to keep dots like this, okay? Shall we write now? Yes, here they have given the number 1, number 1. So, how many dots you have to keep? Only one dot like this, okay? Your dot should be visible. Don't keep dot like this and all, it is not at all visible, no, you have to keep dot like this, okay? Okay, fine. So, the next one is 4. So, how many dots you have to keep? 4 dots. Count the box 1, 2, 3, 4. So, up to this 4 boxes you have to keep the dot like this, okay? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we have kept 4 dots, okay? The next 2 boxes we can complete it in the Zoom class. This is your max worksheet, worksheet number 3. You have to write your name here, okay? Now, shall we read the heading? Count the shapes and write the numbers in boxes. Also, color as many smileys as the number. Shall we read it again? Count the shapes and write the numbers in boxes. Also, color as many smileys as the number. So, see the first one. What picture is this? Do you know what is this? You like to play with this, isn't it? So, this is a ball. This is a ball. You are going to count the pictures here, okay? So, they are given boxes before the picture. You are going to count the picture and write the number here. After writing the number, you are going to color the smiley as the number you have written here, okay? So, how many balls given here? Only one ball. So, what number you have to write in the box? See how ma'am is writing, you have to write like that, okay? Start from the middle of the box, straight one, come down and touch the box like this, okay? This is number 1. This is number 1. So, now take the crayons, your favorite color. You no need to mention, I will not mention the color. You can color it with your favorite color, okay? So you are going to color the smiley. What number you have written here? 1. So, you are going to color only one smiley. Shall we count? What picture is this? These are stars. These are stars, okay? Shall we count the stars now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, you are going to write the number 5 in the box. See the formation how I am writing. Small 1, right curve and this dash. So, this is number 5. This is number 5. So, you are going to color the smileys here. You have written number 5 here. So, you are going to color 5 smileys here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will color like this. Okay. Other things we can complete it in the Zoom class. So, the next Roman number is count and circle the correct number. Count and circle the correct number. So, already we have completed this exercise in our book. The same exercise they have given here. Okay. So, they have given some flowers here. You have to count the flowers and circle the correct number among these 3 numbers. Okay. So, count the flowers. How many flowers given here? 1, 2. So, see the number 1, 2, 10. So, which number you will circle? Circle 2 like this. Okay, you have to circle like this, small circle. Okay. So, like this way you have to complete this exercise. Don't complete it now, we can complete it in the Zoom class. Many children after seeing the online class itself completing the worksheets. Don't complete it now itself. Ma'am will give some instructions in the Zoom class. You have to complete it in the Zoom class. Okay. So, don't complete it now, we can do it later. Yes. So, like this you have to complete. Next Roman number 2 is tracing 6 to 10. You know how to trace the numbers. We are going to trace the numbers. Okay. So, see the numbers here 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, you know to write the numbers from 1 to 5. Now, we are going to learn the numbers from 6 to 10. Okay. So, trace like this, keep the pencil on the dots given there. Should not come out, you have to trace like this. What number is this? 6. What number is this? 6. So, the next number is 7. What number is this? 7. Next number is 8. You have to write like this. The next number is 9 and the next number is 10. So, this way we are going to trace this numbers. Okay. Next things we can complete it in the Zoom class.
I hope you have enjoyed today's class. We'll meet you in the next class with more interesting and amusing segments. Bye. Take care.